how we're all doing today. The time has finally come where I need to dye my hair again because it has faded a lot. Oh my god, it's crazy. It has faded a lot, but at the same time it also hasn't faded at all, if you know what I mean. Because like the ends are like super faded, and then you look at the hair over here, especially in the back, it's so wild to me. But look how bright that still is. Can you see? Isn't that insane? That's the same hair. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, it's definitely time to dye my hair again because it's kind of a mess right now. However, there is one tiny little problem that I have, and that is that I just can't seem to find any semi-permanent hair dyes here in Bali. I can only find permanent hair dyes, and I've been told they're not as permanent as like they say they are, that they actually do wash out, but I'm just scared of permanent hair dyes, okay? I'm scared of them. They just scare me. So I'm not gonna put permanent hair dyes on my hair, but I also can't put semi-permanent hair dyes on my hair because I can't find semi-permanent hair dyes. It's a tricky situation. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to try and dye my hair with foods, because why not? I've seen like multiple videos of people dyeing their hair with like coffee, turmeric, what else? Kool-Aid. So it has been done before. I don't really know if it ended up working or not, but I just know that I want to try it myself too. So today I'm gonna try and dye my hair with beetroots. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's gonna work, right? I feel like it's gonna be, I don't know, is it gonna work? Yeah, first thing we need to do is get some beets. So let's go to the supermarket. Yes. Okay, I just came back from the grocery store and I encountered one tiny little problem, and that is that they don't sell beets here. I mean, they probably sell them somewhere, but they didn't sell them in that grocery store. So my whole plan is gone to shit. But I still want to dye my hair, okay? So what I ended up buying instead is the dragon fruit. I don't know if you've seen this stuff before, but this is like bright pink. It's like neon pink, basically, the insides. So honestly, I'm just gonna see if I can dye my hair with this. I feel like this might even have more pigments than the beetroots. Or not, I don't know. Okay, let's go to the communal kitchen. Okay, welcome to the communal kitchen. They actually have a lot of stuff here, which is very nice. They have a blender, they got pots and pans and everything. So I feel like I have enough stuff to actually make this work, to actually make hair dye out of it. Got it in the blender, and now let's blend it up. See if I can find the power outlets. It doesn't work. So let me just crush it by hand then. Oh my god. That's annoying. So right now I'm boiling it, as you can see. Where is it? There. Oh my god. Almost dropped the camera. I'm trying to get like as much moisture out as possible. So it's mainly gonna be like the pigment. So I think I'm just gonna boil it for like 30 minutes. And then hopefully it's gonna be like a thick, syrupy kind of substance. And then I can put that in my hair. Funny, 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 funny. I'm standing in the shower because I'm sure this is gonna be the biggest mess ever. I can already tell. This is this is the hair dye. It looks pretty intense, right? If I just put it on my finger. It looks pretty intense. I'm gonna put it all over my hair. And then we're just gonna see if it stays in there. I really hope it's gonna like stay in my hair just at least a little bit. Because I will be kind of sad if it just like washes out immediately. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Oh my god. This is gonna be so messy. Oh, there's still so many chunks in there. It looks very purple though, right? Also, yeah, very chunky. Oops. Beautiful. First section done. Let's go on to the next section. Yeah. Ow! Oh my god. I almost ripped my earring out. No way, no. Also, yeah, they're like, it's like black seeds everywhere. Just for some nice low lights, I guess. I mean, it does dye my hair, right? It's definitely getting more pink. Imagine if it actually works. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. Oh god, it better not stain my nails that I just did. Okay. Let's do it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no. The whole bathroom is like bright pink now. Oopsie. Wait. Oh my god, no, it better not oh. I don't know if it stains my skin. That would be pretty fucked. If it stains my skin, I'm gonna be bright pink. Anyways, let's just add some more hair dye to my beautiful hair. Yeah, da, da, da. The floor is very slippery over here now. jinx it, but I feel like it's actually gonna work. Cause like look how bright my hair is right now. That's actually crazy. It's like completely dyed. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna work. I've got a good feeling about this. If only you saw the floor right now. Wait, let me give you a 360 of the bathroom. Wait. Ay, no. There's too much water. Shit. I just wanted to wash my hands. Oh god. Oh no. This actually stains my skin. And it's all over my skin. Oh no. Oh, I did not think about that. Oh. Whatever. Okay, let me show you the bathroom right now. What the fuck? Yeah. This is what it looks like. It's literally everywhere. Oh my god. Oopsie. Let's hope I'm gonna get my deposit back. Okay, I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. Gonna see if I can clean this bathroom up a little bit. And then I'll show you the end result. And I hope it's gonna be pink. That would be so funny. But it's so funny. Just dyeing my hair with fruit. I really hope I can get it off my body though. Fuck. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Let me wash my hair and see if the color's gonna stay. Oh. Is it still pink? Okay, let me just wash it out and then I'll be back. Hey! Yeah, I rinsed all the dragon fruit out of my hair and the color is gone. The color is completely gone. Oh my god, I really thought it was gonna work because my hair looked so bright, but it just completely rinsed out of my hair. Like there is nothing left. I don't think it even like slightly stained my hair. Like I think it just went in my hair, got out of my hair. End of story. Like look, it's crazy. There's like nothing in there. All that effort for nothing. I mean, at least it was a fun little experiment. Now I know for the next time I'm like tempted to dye my hair with food that it probably is just not gonna work. However, it didn't dye my hair, okay, but it did make my hair feel so much healthier. Like I don't know what kind of like vitamins or like stuff is like in dragon fruit, but it made my hair feel so soft and very nice. So I guess it wasn't for nothing. I just used a very messy hair mask. So yeah, unfortunately it didn't work. And now I just gotta find some hair dye somewhere else. Because I do need to dye my hair. Or maybe I should just go to a hairdresser, but I really want to do it myself. Okay, anyways. Thank you all for watching another hair disaster. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.